How to get Aviator Predictor Activation Code. In this video, I'm going to provide you details and additional information as to how or where you can get the activation code of Aviator Predictor. So as you can see right now, I'm currently on GitHub specifically for Aviator Predictor. And no matter where you go, even if these specific folders right here or HTML codes, you will really not be able to see an activation code. That's because activation code for Aviator Predictor is paid. So the very first instance, downloading this software right here, you will be asked to register an account first using the Aviator Predictor. And all you need to do is accept the terms of use, register, and open an account on the specified websites. And once you've successfully done that, you will now then choose a specific websites and then your limitations as well. Upon starting the app, you should be entering the email address that you use to register your account and then double check on the email address that you have used on Aviator Predictor because your activation code should be there upon purchase. And that's it. That's the most convenient way for you to obtain or to get your Aviator Predictor activation code.